Hello Cancerians, you are tuned into Ruhani Guidance and I am your tarot reader, astrologer and numerologist Himali Narsin, bringing you your weekly forecast as per tarot from the 14th of January to the 21st of January 2021. Let's look at what your energies are and what is coming up for you this week, Cancerians. So you've got the Hermit and the Suppression card. Cancerians, you are thinking a lot this week, unlike your natural self being emotional and being very kind and just living in la la land. But Cancerians this week are actually thinking a lot. You may find yourself isolating and thinking a lot onto where you want to go, what you want to do in life, and how you want to shape up your life. This may be stemming out of a lot of suppression. This could be extreme fatigue. You could be very tired on an overall basis, and this could be coming out of that. You may want to just spend some time alone, think what you want to do, find out the answers for life. You may also want to meditate a lot this week, Cancerians. But I see a period of isolation for you, totally. Onto your love front, I again see a lot of sword energy, a lot of it you being thinking about. 5 of Swords and Page of Swords. Wow. Cancerians, have you had a fight lately? If you've had a fight, if you are the one who said very hurtful things to your partner, it's going on their mind. It's going on in their mind constantly. They've been constantly thinking about it. And this may have this may have left you a little baffled. This may have left you a little destroyed in your heart because you never expected this. If you are not the one who's spoken all that, the other person is feeling completely destroyed by your words. They have pricked the other person's heart. And right now, I think that you need to really do some sort of damage control. Otherwise, this person is going to constantly think about it. If you are the one who's been in this situation, your partner should definitely take steps, although there's a lot going on in their mind as well. And you could be dealing with an air sign, which is a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Gemini, Libra, Sagittarius, no, Aquarius. Also Sagittarius here, because we also have some fire energy. So not Aries and Leo, but definitely I could see that someone could be a mix of Sagittarius and Aquarius, or Sagittarius and could have some major planets in Sagittarius basically. So Cancerians, if you are dealing with someone who has that sort of configuration, good luck, because you're going to have a very hard time bringing them onto your terms. On the work front, we've got the 9 of Swords and 2 of Wands. You have been constantly thinking about something that's going to happen. It will happen, very high possibilities that it will happen, but you have been wasting your nights and your days sitting worrying about it in anxiety and so it is something that will happen for sure. It's just that it's taking its own sweet time. It's exploring options. If you are someone who's expecting a promotion, this will happen for sure, but they are still exploring other options. You need to stop worrying to begin with, Geminis. You need to stop worrying because there's you need to stop worrying, Cancerians, because there's so much going on in your life. This is going to overall just mess up with your digestion and other nervous systems of your body. Let's look at your health reading. We've got the Nine of Pentacles with the Sun. So the Sun card here can indicate sunstrokes, heat strokes. It could also indicate vitamin D deficiency, heart disease, skin cancers, also depression. This depression will in turn lead to weakening of the intestines if you do not control on worrying. This is something that is going to lead to more sort of intestinal issues. It could also indicate the body not being capable enough of fighting diseases. Also you may be able to sort of like you may be eating from somewhere that's not quite hygienic, and that could lead to worms and all those things that are not really from your body. They come in, they enter you through foreign things, and are sort of forbidden. So these things are something that may be able to trouble you this week. I really recommend you to keep a lapis lazuli with you, because this is something that's going to give you the mental calmness. It's also going to help you raise things that are not working out for you. This will also help you enhance your throat chakra. Cancerians really want you to cleanse the negative energies, because they are in abundance. I see so much negative energy that I just want you to like stop your life and take a break, and then get back to it when you are feeling a little better. An advice for you is hold your vision. Fixed moon, just like the fixed moon, fix your vision at one thing and go for it. If your love life is very important for you, if this person is very important for you, keep that vision in mind and let go the small things. Hold that bigger vision and ignore the smaller nuisances in your life. The lucky color for you, Cancerians, this week is violet. The message for you is to create a balanced life, and the number for you is number 45. So Cancerians, I hope this helps. If you would want any sort of guidance, you can always reach out to Ruhani Guidance. I'll also be very happy to reply to you in the comment section below. If you have any queries, you can post your questions in the comment section below, and I will be glad to reply. And everybody who is celebrating the kite flying festival, wishing you all a very happy kite flying festival, happy Makar Sankranti. And for others of you, wishing you are having a very I hope you are having a very good new year. Please write to me, what is this new year bringing in for you? I'd really like to read your comments and your suggestions and whatever is happening with you, and be a part of your life. So Cancerians, thank you, and I will see you next week. Until then, you take care and stay tuned to Ruhani Guidance.